The basic process of drawing an object in HighDesign consists of selecting the desired tool from the toolbox, choosing a drawing method from those available in the tool, and clicking on the drawing area to start the construction of the object. If there are selected objects, the first click deselects everything. New objects are created using the current default graphic attributes and properties: layer, stroke and fill, line type, etc. If the object being created is an element, that is, an object that is more complex than a basic shape such as hatches or texts, you can set the specific defaults via its settings window. Double-click the tool icon on the toolbox to open the settings window for that class of objects. Most of the attributes common to all object types can be set and changed in the Properties bar in the Graphic Attributes panel. Properties that are shared among most object types are layer, pin color, fill color, pin line types, start and end markers, pin weight, shadow. To set the properties for new items, make sure no object is selected, and then use the controls on the bar or in the panel. To edit the properties of an object, select it and then change the corresponding values. The Graphic Attributes panel supplies the graphic features of project elements. The panel includes 3 sections: stroke, fill, and shadow. Information about layers are not listed in this panel. Graphic properties specific of some objects, such as extension lines of dimensions or hatches and fill color of walls, are managed through their settings window. The toolbox is placed vertically on the leftmost edge of the main window. It contains the buttons to activate all the project tools. This toolbar is organized in sections. Select project elements by direct click with the arrow or by selection area and modify the selected elements. Sketch, create and modify 2D drawing elements. Document, insert and modify texts, dimensions, text notes, tags, and define detail areas. Design, create and modify architectural elements like walls, openings, columns for the Pro Edition. Review, use temporary measurements to verify a project and add markup objects. To activate a tool, click once on its icon. The arrow button on the right of the tool icon means that the selected tool provides more construction methods, displayed on a pop-up. Click the pop-up arrow to show the available methods and options. Some buttons show 3 dots in the bottom right corner, meaning those tools have specific tool options dialogues displayed on the tool settings window. To open the settings window and change a tool settings, double-click on the icon. The default drawing procedure adopted in HighDesign is click-move-click. That means to draw a line, you click to set the start point, move the pointer to the desired location, and click again to set its endpoint. Click-drag is also supported. You can change the drawing method in Settings, Drawing. To cancel an operation, you can hit the Escape button on the keyboard or press the right mouse button. Multi-segment objects, such as polylines, hatches, paths, follow the same general method. Click to define the vertices, double-click or press the Escape key to end. To draw closed shapes like rectangles, click to set the start point of its diagonal. Move the pointer along it to set the size, and click again to confirm. Some objects like points and symbols require just a click to define their insertion point. These general drafting procedures are also valid for sketching, documentation, and design tools.